Hello friends, Namaste and welcome. You are with Deepak R. Khemani and this is the 2 Minutes Money and Personal Finance Show. A friend called me up today morning and asked, his daughter was traveling and she has tested positive for COVID, the latest Omicron variant, and she has been advised home quarantine. However, she can't stay at home with them because there are two elderly senior citizen 80 plus parents with comorbidities. So they can't take the risk of she staying with them. Now they have decided to get her admitted to hospital in a COVID hospital for quarantining. The question was, will Mediclaim or health insurance company pay for her admission into hospital for 10 days for quarantine purpose? Let's understand this. How does a Mediclaim or a health insurance policy work? It pays you for hospitalization of a problem, a disease, something which you have acquired which needs to get treated by medication or by surgery. You need to get hospitalized. Then your health insurance company will pay you for all the hospitalization pre and post expenses. In this case, it is just quarantining yourself so that you don't pass the infection to others. There is no active line of treatment. Nothing is being given. So, unfortunately, in this case, the health insurance company, your Mediclaim policy will pay you zero. It will pay you nothing. Why? Because you on your own wanted to get hospitalized to quarantine yourself so that anybody else in your family may not pick up the infection. There is no active line of treatment, no medication, no operation, nothing at all. Nothing is payable. Whether this is right or wrong, you have a policy, you paid a premium, all that can be discussed later as per terms and conditions of the policy. Since there is no active line of treatment, nothing will be payable. All the expenses incurred during that hospitalization will have to be taken out of your own pocket. You will have to bear all those expenses. Very, very common query. A lot of people have been asking this ever since COVID struck. Remember this, hospital treatment will be paid. If it is just quarantining and nothing else, nothing is payable.